This tutorial review will show you how to add featured video and photos on Facebook profile. Before you begin, first of all, you have to add the video on your Facebook story. So as you can see, I've added a video in my story, and remember one thing, you must have to upload the video story from your Android or iOS device, because in computer here is no way to add a video story on Facebook. So add a video story from your mobile device, and then here open Facebook profile and click on add featured and click on add new. And to add a video to your feature, scroll down and inside of stories section, select the video you want to add to your featured collection. Click on next, and you can change the title name from here. Click on save, and here we can see the video has been added into my featured collection. And now let's see how to add a photo to featured collection. Again, click on edit featured and click on add new, and now you can upload a photo from your device. Also, you can select a photo from your stories from your Facebook profile. So I'm going to selecting this one and clicking on next, save. So this is how we can add video and photos in featured collection on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.